Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add PayPal payment gateway without WooCommerce in WordPress. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on WordPress and PayPal, you can use our links in the description down below where you can add discounts, get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. In the WordPress homepage, you just need to go on the left side and find posts right here. So click on it, and right here you can see all of your posts. And if you want to add a PayPal payment method on your WordPress site without using WooCommerce, is by adding a post where in the post it's where you want to show your payment button. So for example, you can post about a product, and right inside the post you just need to input your PayPal button link. So you need to have PayPal button link to your post. So under post, just click add post right here, and you will be redirected to this window right here. Welcome to the editor, and this is where you need to add your PayPal button link. So for example, we're selling t-shirt right here. For example, t-shirt, and right here in the body section, this is where you can insert a block. You can embed your PayPal button link. So on the PayPal, so on your PayPal account, go right here on the left side, click create. So this is a PayPal business account. So make sure that you already have a PayPal business account, since you can't create button links on your personal PayPal account. So you need business account. So right here on the dashboard, click right click this one plus create right here, and under it there will be a payment link or button section, and you can just click on it and you'll be redirected to this page right here. So this is where you create your PayPal button link. So you need to choose a payment link or a button. So you can choose either of this payment link and QR code or payment button. So let's say we are making PayPal payment button. So name and description of the product. So create a product or service. So let's say since we are selling t-shirt, let's say for example t-shirt. And for the description, you can add one, but it's optional. So I'm going to put random description, for example. And for the price, you can set it to one set price or customer set price. So it's up to you. So I'm going to set a price, for example, 3,000. And for the quantity, so you can enable this option to let customers buy more than one item at once. And for the image, you can add image if you want, but you don't need to add image right here on the PayPal button link, since you can just add an image right here on your post. So for the stack buttons, it's up to you whether you add stack buttons. Choose what your PayPal button will say, whether it says PayPal, buy now, checkout, or pay. It's up to you. So let's say PayPal. And for the single button, yes, you can choose any of this. So this is only for stack button. So for the single button, you can set it right here. And for the show more option, you can see more settings that you can enable. For the cost, you can enable customer note, the product ID, the variants if you have, and your inventory, etc., etc. So after naming it, this is the preview of your product page on your payment button link. And for the checkout, this is the checkout page on your PayPal payment button link. And you can enable the delivery address. You can add some delivery fees, taxes, discount, and handling fee. You can enable any of this option if you want. And also for the confirmation, the auto return URL. So the auto return URL, so this is the URL that a customers automatically return to after they successfully finish the checkout. So this will apply to all the transaction. So after clicking this one, let's say right here you just paste your WordPress website right here, so that when your customers saw your post and they click the PayPal button link and they completed the checkout, they will be redirected to your WordPress site. And yeah, they can buy more products on your store. And that's it. So after you're done, just click create it. Oh yes, I'm going to set the quantity right here and click create it. For the custom URL, let's say we disable it for now. So let's click create it, and now the buttons are ready. So instruction: to place your PayPal buttons on your site, you just need to input your code snippet. So this is actually the code or the script that you can copy. Actually have two parts. So this is actually for stack buttons, but if you want to have a single button, yeah, it's up to you. You can just click single button right here and click copy code. And after copying it, you just need to go back to your WordPress site, and right here you just need to click this one right here, plus icon, to add a block. And on the search, you just need to search for custom HTML. Click this one, and you need to write your code right here. So you just need to copy the code for your button, paste it right here, and click preview. That's it. So as you can see, now you already have your PayPal button link, and now you just need to, add your product image. For example, this one. So t-shirt for sale, and right here in the bottom part, you add another block, and then let's say it's an image, and you can add your t-shirt image, for example, and right here. So that's it. So now you can just publish your post, and your customers will see it, and they can just buy your products right here. And they can click this button link, PayPal button link, on your post. And that is how to add PayPal payment gateway without WooCommerce in WordPress. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.